Hello internet world and welcome to an unboxing video on the Geekanoids channel. This particular product was sent out to me by 3 in the UK. You can find a link to their website down in the video description. This is a home broadband router which takes a SIM card. It's actually the Huawei model number B310. It offers up to 150 megabits per second connection, 200 meters coverage, and you actually configure this with the Huawei HiLink app. Offers VPN pass-through and also voice service function as well. So let's take a look inside the box. Just very quickly, you can see here that the Wi-Fi is 802.11bgn up to 32 users or devices connected at the same time. So let's take a look inside the box. Now, if you're after a full review of this product, then please do check out the links down in the video description. I will be doing a review of this and you'll find the link down there. This is purely an unboxing and first look. So we get a quick start guide inside the box. This is going to guide us through getting everything up and running. We get the Wi-Fi router itself, which we'll take a closer look at in a short while. And then we also get some accessories in here as well. And we get an Ethernet cable and also a 3-pin UK power adapter. 3-pin plug on this end and the pin connector on this end. So this is the router itself. On the bottom we've got some details about connectivity. We've got a row of LED activity lights across the front here and of course the Huawei logo. On the top here we have the power button and also the WPS button, which allows us to do some very quick connections to this. Round on the back here, it looks like we've got a little slide off tray. This is where you're going to put the SIM card under here. Does this come off? I think this might come off. Perhaps this is where you can connect an external antenna. There's also a reset switch in here, the connection for the power, also the LAN or WAN socket, and also the telephone connector for if you're connecting a telephone handset. So I'm not going to leave you in suspense about this cover. I just need a little bit of help removing it. And it is in fact connections for dual antennas. So if you are in a poor signal area, you can connect external antennas to this and increase your signal strength, and also obviously that in turn should increase your upload and download speeds as well. Do stay tuned to the channel. Please do subscribe so you don't miss out on my full review of the 3 HomeFi. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very soon.